Hi, in this video I will show you how to change name of the device in the AQARA Home app. You need to open the app, then go to the Home Management, right there, then tap on the My Home and tap on the accessory, and there you have a list of the all accessories that are linked to your account, and tap on the accessory you want to change name, tap on these three dots, tap on the accessory name, and there you can set individual name for the accessory. Tap OK to confirm all the changes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.